So today I will be talking about the muscles of the pharynx and the trachea and the esophagus. What I want you guys to start with first is, can you please sit up straight and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. So what you guys did there was probably much more than you actually thought. Air enters through the nose or the mouth because of the intercostal muscles and the diaphragm. The intercostal muscles are the muscles that run in between your ribs. From nose to mouth, air passes within the pharyngeal space into the trachea. The trachea is a body structure for breathing, which I will explain more later. The bronchia are the tubes which arise from the trachea, and the lungs, finally, are the essential breathing organ. The pharyngeal space is enclosed by the base of the tongue and the muscles of the pharynx, which are all a part of the alimentary canal between the mouth and the esophagus. The alimentary canal is the pathway that starts at the mouth and goes all the way down to the intestines. It is important for singers to know that the pharyngeal muscles are a part of the digestive system, because most singers don't know that the muscles are, and they inhale, and they think that they are the inhaling muscles, which results in the constriction of space. The pharyngeal space also gets double the work because it's used for nutrients and as well for air. The muscles of the pharynx swallow food and take in drinks and are not made for bringing in air compared to the intercostal muscles. So now, the trachea is also known as the windpipe, and it is just under the skin in our lower neck and is for our passageway for air. So I was wondering if you guys could take 3 fingers and place them right underneath your Adam's apple, and you'll feel your trachea right there. So when inhaling, it is used just to solely get the air into your body. And for exhaling, the larynx, which is the top of the trachea, which also has the vocal cords, interrupts the air and starts to vibrate, which is what causes singing and speaking. The esophagus, on the other hand, is behind the trachea and is where the food goes down. It is also known as the food tube. While the trachea has air going in and out using the intercostal muscles and the diaphragm, the esophagus sits waiting to eat something after rehearsal. And that's all I have.